help me, please. Mr. Obama, change my reality. Jobs aren't here, we have to get out. We need something to eat, it's our reality. Many guns are coming from USA, it's real. You know that is true. Help me to stop it, Mr. Obama. Help me please, Mr. Obama. Change my reality, Mr. Obama. Help me please, Mr. Obama. Change my reality. Legal immigration is a dream, yes I know. For all Mexicans, please we wanna work. Mr. Obama, help me please, Mr. Obama. Change my